Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Yanique and it's your girl Shelly. So we're back on another lit video, but a very short one. Yeah, and here we have our little sister, Lily. Say hi, Lily.
Hi, Lily.
No, hi, Lily.
No, say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
So
before we get into our video, we always, shout out our friends and family, businesses. But today we're gonna do our friend D's Essential, right? For all of the yoni problems, you can get your steam,
your
you can get
pearls, your body
peel,
wash, your soap,
everything for the yoni.
Everything.
So it's D's Essential on Instagram and Facebook. Please go and check her out and and support her, okay? So that's D's Essential. Let me show you again. My sister did this steam and it was amazing, so go and check her out.
It was really
show her
good.
some support.
Yeah, so today video we're gonna do
The Lime Channel. I don't
Challenge.
remember. Challenge. The Lime Channel.
challenge.
The
Anyway.
challenge.
Yes,
Okay,
tell me,
Leah.
Lily. Sure.
Okay, so I don't quite remember whose channel we saw it on, but it was a fellow Jamaican YouTuber as well, and it was hella funny. So we said we definitely have to try it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see who can eat the most lime. See them here?
Or the fastest, whichever.
The
Fastest or
most.
the most.
But listen,
And Lily, I gonna try it too.
Lily wanted to try it from when I was cutting them. See them here? If I was cutting them, she wanted to try it.
Oh, so much like me, so wait. How much is that?
So,
4.
So four for
So
me,
8 and
and
4
4 for she, and 4 for
Leah.
Lily, which I know. And
Me
so
for Yanique.
yes,
I mean for me.
yes,
I mean for you.
yes. So she eat 4 for me
And
and
4 for Leah.
Leah. No, Leah
And
never
four-
eat off all of
four-
it. So if
and 4 for
anybody
Yanique.
any left over for Leah, one we have to eat it. You understand? Me know me go win. You couldn't so tail sour no more. Me I win. Me have to win.
We'll see. Me
have
now
to
win. Me now put myself for winning. Me just do it for each sake of just
So,
trying it.
We're
And
gonna
then they
start.
say, who is the winner?
Yes, we're gonna
Yes.
say who is the winner. Good
Yeah.
job. So, okay, let's get into
So
the...
them get one trophy.
You have one trophy with
you
somebody?
have a trophy? Pretend. Okay,
Okay.
just say pretend.
Pretend
You're not
trophy,
pretend.
alright.
trophy.
Pretend we have trophies.
Okay.
Okay.
See trophy here.
Oh, thank you. I'm the winner.
No.
Yes, I'm the winner. Yay. I win? Okay, let's get into this video.
Oh, don't forget to
Video.
subscribe, like, turn on your post notification to this channel so whenever we post, you get notified.
Yes, and go ahead and watch our videos before. That's one we post last week. And the one before that,
Yes.
go like,
Yes.
comment,
And
and
then we
subscribe. Okay,
And then we
so
eat
let's get
the
started.
lemon.
It's lime.
It's lime. Okay,
It's
so
not
this is my
lemon.
first one.
This is
Bring
look,
it.
Mama. Mama Sita, this one is yours, yeah?
Okay,
Over here,
so
so is yours.
This
The
one
middle
is
is
yours. So you
yours.
take one, Yanique, you take one. Okay, so yeah, you start.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm afraid.
We'll have to eat the skin.
For eating part on this, that's why so you wanna eat this.
No, Lily, you can't eat this, Leah. Mm-mm.
Don't eat the skin, Mama.
Mm-mm.
Will it eat? Here, so?
Yeah.
No,
You can't eat the
stop.
skin.
So, it's also thing my feel like it.
Not the skin, right here, Salwan. Do like this. Like this, you know?
I eat this skin.
No, baby.
Hmm?
You sure want to eat it? Oh, it is.
Sweet.
Sweet. Oh
Now
my.
lie.
No, stop.
I don't win.
I go in.
No, Yannick, no. Yannick. I'm not going to beer now. No. She eat like a orange.
You call it done?
So mine done?
Look.
Mine done too. That's the one.
I put your vessel.
That's one. Okay.
Much me gone already?
One.
Okay.
My turn.
Mama, now hurry up. Let me see it. Woo! Yes, nice. Go for your next one now.
Good job.
Good job.
Me eat me win.
No,
you
almost win, Mama. You soon win.
Wait. Yellow drop.
You have to work and eat it. Okay, Mom? Eat it fast. Fast. You're not so
But wait.
you're not so make up your face.
You know, see, come next to my cut. The lime. We do a pepper knife. Me straight my feet pepper bun from the Ow! Let me help you.
I eat the skin.
Just skin them.
Woo!
So, Mama, where there?
Why? Deliverance.
See them? That's a two.
Deliverance.
Okay.
Yanique, oh, you move so savage.
You know, don't eat, Mama. Look.
Ah.
See them?
Woo!
Okay, that done. Yes. Eat the other one now. Yeah.
The tea to burn me when I eat 11.
See, don't want it no more? No, eat this one right here.
I can't squeeze out.
Yes, squeeze out it. Give me this. Give me seed. Squeeze out it. Do like this. Yeah, like that. You me out there.
I forgot my mouth.
Elia?
Mother.
I'm good. I'm good, Shillesa.
Really?
A good Elia.
When food's a challenge job. Me not sweat.
Boy. Hey. I have to find. I do a challenge and tag them. When you really start a challenge, I would
But I can get trophies.
So you can get no man.
Or a medal.
You
Next
go have
one.
one, so we go either next one.
Give me this. You think
No,
you
no,
can say I
win.
win? How much more you have left?
One. Wait, let's
I'll go to this.
tie.
How much you feel? I want that. You mind it?
Done.
Who pan film to feel one? Who win?
Me, look.
Funny more to nasty. Mama, you win?
I win.
You win, Mama? You win? High five! I really win. You too lie. Right, Mama? High five. Good job.
I can't give me a trophy.
You want a trophy?
I guess
1, 2, 3. Here you go. You
There
get
you
2
go.
trophies.
One for you. I'll put one here.
Yeah, okay.
One for you.
Thank you. Yeah, so we all win.
we're
Yeah.
all winners. Say yay!
Yay.
You don't know.
See it?
Alright.
Let me see.
Yeah.
This one not done.
That's yours.
Give me it.
So
Give me it.
all of them are.
I give mommy
Yeah.
for mommy eat it.
Sit down. You want to eat it?
I want to give it to me, mommy.
When we finish,
It's done.
Yes. I
Finish!
So Sierra is the winner.
Three of
Yeah.
us.
And we get medals.
Yes,
I
we
thought it
have
was
a medal,
trophies.
so that's it.
Me have 2 medals for me.
What?
and you.
okay.
Okay, so I
But
don't get
can
one.
take you.
I don't get one.
That, I can't use mine.
I can use. But I want one for myself.
Okay, let's see.
Huh?
Here's 3.
You can get 3. Okay, so we're going.
One is here, and 2 is here.
So where's the other one?
The other one,
Yeah.
I don't know buy it.
Who no buy it?
I don't know buy it. I don't know buy it.
I'm sad.
But you can borrow my medal.
But I want one for myself.
But
I can use the Yanique one.
But one to mine, so what may I use?
I want one for
you can
myself.
still use. You can still use my trophy.
Okay, me just use it. Okay. Thank you. You're such a sweetheart. You know that?
Me have 2 guitar for me and you.
You have guitar for me and you?
No, me have medal for me and you. No.
Oh, so Yanique's not gonna get any.
She's still a sweetheart, right, Mama?
Yes.
Mr. can't give her a trophy.
Okay. Yeah. Who eat lemon?
So,
Who eat lemon? Lime. Who eat lime?
where is the winner is Shillesa and Yanique is me.
Yay! So Lily declare the winner.
Shake.
Is the winner is Shillesa, me and Yanique.
Yay! We're the champions. So that is our video.
Okay. Tell him goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yes. So just a reminder, guys. Please remember to go and check out these essential for all of the good things them for your or cookies or your yoni. So they have the yoni steam herbs. You know, it's all natural. Everything she sells is all natural ingredients. So go ahead and check her out on Instagram and on Facebook at These Essential. Nice things. See here, nice packaging and nice product. Go and check her out. So
that's our video for today. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever we post. And
then
what else?
And
leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment
Tell
on
me,
the bottom.
Tell him, subscribe. Tell him. Lily.
and subscribe.
Tell him, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell him, like. Comment. Subscribe. Turn on your post notification.
Turn on your post notification. And I know who said that.
You heard the people say? Turn it on.
Turn your post
Go and
notification.
like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl,
Yan
and it's your girl,
Shelly.
Shelly, and Lily, and we are out.
Family.